Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you have a mobile app and you want more installs directly from your Google Ads, app extensions are a must. They allow users to download your app straight from your search ads with just one tap. Just like this, for example, when you search cheap hotels, you're gonna have this ad for cheap hotels for Expedia, and the Expedia ad will give you a link or a direct way to download the app. As you can see here, you can download this just by clicking on this option, this button free. Now, how you do that? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add app extensions in Google Ads 2026, step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first thing you want to do is to open Google Ads Asset. And before you do that, you have to set up your Google Ads account if you haven't already. You're just going to go to business.google.com and make sure to sign in with your Google account. After that, you're going to click on Start Now and fill in the information about your business and the URL for your business. Make sure to enter a valid one. Once you enter that, you're going to click on Next and follow and complete the information about your business. Once set up, you're going to start your campaign. You're going to choose your campaign and you're going to choose the type of ads you want to display. Now, you're going to have to follow these steps. Now, after you log into your Google Ads account, on the left menu, you're going to click on Ads and Assets. You're going to go here. Let's look for a picture if there is one. We're just going to go and click on Ads and Assets. And then you're going to click Assets tab and then click on the plus button and choose app. Now, from the platform, I'm gonna look for some screenshots for this